Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to batch deposit in Xero. Batch deposits are perfect when you've received multiple customer payments together, like a stack of checks or a day's takings, and you want them to appear as a single deposit in your bank. Recording this correctly in Xero makes bank reconciliation fast and clean, because the total will line up with one bank statement line. Start on your Xero homepage for the organization you're working in. From here, head to the top navigation and click Sales. This takes you into the sales area where you manage quotes, invoices, and customer payments. Next, choose Invoices. This is where all your invoices live, organized by status so you can quickly see what's been sent, what's paid, and what still needs attention. Now switch to the Awaiting Payment view. This list shows approved invoices that haven't been fully paid yet. It's the ideal place to build your batch deposit because you can pick exactly which invoices were paid together. Take a moment to scan the list, and if needed, adjust columns or use filters so you're only looking at the relevant set, perhaps today's receipts or a specific customer group. Select the invoices that were received together and will be deposited as one amount at the bank. A good rule of thumb is to mirror your physical deposit slip. If it's on the slip and going to the bank as one total, select it here. Double check that the invoices you choose add up to the amount you expect to see on your bank statement. If something looks off, pause and review before proceeding. With your invoices selected, click Deposit. Xero will group those selections into a single batch deposit and display a summary so you can review the total and confirm it reflects what you actually banked. This is your chance to make sure you haven't missed an invoice or accidentally included one that shouldn't be there. When everything looks right, click Deposit again to confirm. Xero will record payments against each selected invoice and create one combined deposit entry. This keeps your customer accounts accurate while ensuring you have a single bank transaction to match during reconciliation later. When your bank feed brings in the deposit line, it should match neatly to this batch, saving you time and preventing duplicates. If you notice an invoice that doesn't belong in the batch after the fact, don't worry. You can remove it and recreate the deposit with the correct selection so the totals remain accurate. And that's it. You've created a clean, accurate batch deposit in Xero, ready to reconcile against your bank feed with confidence.